So hello guys, so today is pag-uusapan natin ang future trends sa application platforms. So, alam nyo ba na mabilis ang pag-evolve ng technology ngayon? Na from the traditional platforms, ginagamit natin before, ngayon is meron ng AI integration, AI-powered development, edge computing, at marami pang iba. So, ang mga next generation platforms ay mas matalino na or intelligent, mas accessible, and mas distributed sila compare sa dati. So, ang exciting part pa dito is lahat ng innovations na 'to is designed para mas mapadali ang buhay ng mga developers and yung mga users. So, imagine mo hirap mag-develop ng mga applications yung mga developer dati kasi madaming kailangan gawin, madaming kailangang i-code. So ngayon may mga platforms na where you can build your applications with minimal coding knowledge. So that's the power of a modern application platforms. So first slide we have is the AI and machine learning integration. So dito, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is yung artificial intelligence and yung machine learning. So ang modern application platforms ngayon ay may built-in AI capabilities na, and ang ibig sabihin lang nito is hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng AI from scratch. So, pwede mo na lang integrate agad sa platform mo yung AI. For example, may intelligent automation na automatic na mag-optimize ng performance at mag-detect ng anomalies without human intervention. So, ang predictive analytics naman ay sobrang useful para sa businesses at sa um, dahil kasi na-analyze nila yung behavior ng isang user at yung system data para ma-predict yung future trends. And siyempre, yung reason kung ba't may mga chatbots at voice assistants na ngayon. So next slide. So next slide is the low code and no code platforms. So ito yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda na nangyari sa tech industry, ang low code at no code platforms. So ang ibig sabihin nito, kahit yung mga taong hindi professional developers ay pwede nang gumawa ng applications. So sa low code, konting coding lang yung kailangan natin gamit yung mga visual tools. So mas mapapabilis yung mga development cycle at mas mabilis na ma-release sa market yung mga products or yung mga applications na ginagawa natin. So sa no code naman, sobrang dali lang, ah, kailangan mo lang mag-drag and drop ng mga kailangan mo, wala ng coding. So mga business users at citizens developers ang target nito. So puwede na sila or puwede na tayong gumawa ng functional applications para sa ating mga specific needs. So next slide is the edge computing and IoT platforms. So yung edge computing ay isang game changer sa tech world. Bakit? Kasi instead na lahat ng data processing ay nasa central cloud, ngayon is puwede ng gawin sa edge o sa mga browsers. Meanwhile or meaning, malapit sa source ng data. Bakit importante ito? Kasi 75% reduction in latency. So, mas mabilis yung response time at mas efficient yung bandwidth usage. So, 'pag pinag-combine natin yung IoT o Internet of Things is siyempre magiging maganda yung kalalabasan, and by the end of 2030, naasahan na mayroong 50 billion plus connected devices na ang connected sa buong mundo. So imagine mo lahat ng devices na yan is nagko-connect and nag-communicate in real time. So ang mga application nito ay sobrang dami, smart manufacturing, autonomous vehicles, healthcare monitoring, smart cities, and agricultural automation. So next is microservices and serverless architecture. So dito naman is pag-uusapan natin yung modern architecture. So ang microservices is parang hiwa-hiwalay na application into a smaller independent services. So may separate service para sa payments, para sa forms and iba pa. So ang advantage nito is pwede mong i-scale independently yung bawat component depende sa demand. So kung maraming users sa payment section, dun ka na mag-a-add ng mga resources or bagong resources, dun mo siya i-update. So ang serverless naman ay sobrang cost efficient. Bakit? Dahil hindi mo na kailangang mag-maintain ng servers 24/7. So ang platform na ang bahala sa infrastructure, and event triggered lang siya. So pag may nag-request, doon mag-run yung function. So yung pinakamaganda sa dito is auto-scale siya at pay per use yung kanyang way. So dito, mas resilient din ang approach na ito kasi kung may problem sa isang service is hindi apektado yung buong system. So next is si security. Ay platform security and privacy in modern platforms. So dito is very important ito lalo na ngayon na sobrang daming sensitive data ang hinahandle ng applications. So ang modern platforms ay may comprehensive security measures na built-in. So hindi na bottled on. And mayroon tayong 5 layers of security para masiguro na productive ang data natin. So ano ito? Una, end-to-end um, encryption tayo para sa data in transit at at rest. Pangalawa, yung zero trust architecture. And then yung identity and access management with multi-factor authentication and compliance automation para sa GDPR, HIPAA at SOC2. And panghuli yung AI-powered threat detection and response. So lahat ng ito ay kailangang masigurado na safe at secure ang data ng users. So next you have is cross-platform development. So yung cross-platform frameworks is enable nila yung developers na write ng code once pero i-deploy nila ito into multiple platforms. Dahil dito mas nare-reduce yung development time and then yung maintenance cost. Pero syempre na-ensure natin yung consistent user experiences. So here are the platforms that developer use. First, yung React Native. So build native model apps using JavaScript and React. Supports iOS and Android with near React with near native performance. So Flutter naman by Google is create beautiful natively compiled application using Dart. So single code base siya for mobile web and desktop. So net is .NET MAUI. So build native apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android using C Sharp and XAML with shared code. So next one is Electron by GitHub. So develop desktop applications using web technologies, power apps like VS Code, Slack, and Discord. So next is yung last slide natin, which is the future of application platforms. So here are the future of the application platform. First, AI-powered intelligence. So we expect na lahat ng applications is magkakaroon ng AI integration. As we can see now sa mga applications na meron tayo. Tulad na ng Google na meron ng AI search or AI assistance and marami pang ibang, or yung Twitter nagkakaroon ng Grok. So in the future, let's expect na maging more diverse pa yung mga applications pagdating dito sa AI integration. So, next, democratize development, edge first architecture, and then yung security by design. So, we will end our presentation with this quote. The evolution of application platforms continues to accelerate, driven by the need for faster development, greater scalability, and enhanced user experiences. So, organizations that embrace these trends will be well positioned to thrive in the digital future. So, that's all for this presentation. I hope you learned something from this. Thank you for watching.